Joy!
But that's what tyres should do in the wet. To perform like this, Continental's experts say that tyres should be replaced before the tread wears too low and the performance deteriorates. The legal minimum tyre tread depth is 1.6 millimetres, and all you need to measure it is money. 1 coin, in fact, a 20p piece. Around the rim of the 20p piece is a line. Now use that as your reference point, stick it into the grooves of the tyre treads, and if you can still see that rim, your tyre's probably illegal. Alternatively, there's something called a tread wear indicator. It says TWI on the side of your tyre here. Look along and there's a ribbed bar. If the treads are level with that ribbed bar, again, your tyres need replacing.